Hello, my beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails. I hope everyone is having an amazing December. I'm looking forward very much to Christmas and celebrating that with my family. So I thought today we would make some Christmas nails. I have a plate here from Uber Chic Beauty. It's a Season of Joy is the plate that I'm using. And I thought we would make some Santa Claus nails. Let's move the light out of the way. Using this image here and doing some layered stamping, and then this image here for his suit. So we're gonna do his little face and his suit. And I have a set of short almond nails here to do them with. Today we're using red licorice from Hello Taco and green taffy, along with nothing from Kay's Corner Polish, which is this stunning white. I did do a video talking about these, so make sure to check it out. I posted that last month in November. This is part of her core line, so make sure to check that out. So I figure we'll get started today. And I'm also using over here, I have some Maniology products. I have Cherry Bomb, Straight Up Black, Bam White, and So Metal. We're gonna use these. Oh, and I need to grab Skin Deep. And there is Skin Deep. And I've got my trusty dusty stamper. And I have some tape over here and my scraper card. So we'll get started. I'm gonna start with Hello Taco. Let's zoom in if we can. There we go. We're gonna start off with green taffy, and I'm gonna paint the index finger and the pinky finger. And we'll do 2 coats of this. And then on the ring finger, we're going to do a coat of red licorice. And on the middle finger, we're going to do a coat of white. And this is a beautiful one coater, as you can see. Look at that, isn't that perfect? Kay's Corner Polish is really knocking it out of the ballpark with their core line. I have their pink, their blue, their white, their black, and their red. So we'll give these a second to dry, and we'll do a second coat of this gorgeous green. These are looking very Christmassy already. Hello Taco has some of the most beautiful linear hollow polishes. I absolutely love Hello Taco, as you all know. So there we have our red and green nails. And I am going to do one more coat of white on this nail just to make sure we have 100% full opacity. There we go. Perfect. And it levels out so nicely. So we're gonna let these dry again now, and we'll get back with stamping. All right, so we're back. And these are dry, but still a little tacky because we don't want them too dry. Otherwise, the image won't stick to the polish. So we're gonna start off with the Santa face, and we're gonna do his hat first. And because this is such a wide image, we want to go at like a low angle with the scraper card, almost flat to the plate, and scrape down so we don't dig into the image. We're going to scrape very slowly and gently. Perfect. And then we'll give it a nice rock. And I was able to pick that up very easily. And then I'm just going to use my tape to clean up around the edges because obviously we don't want all this other nonsense on our Santa. So we've got our Santa hat, we've got our white nail. And we have his hat. So now I'm going to clean off this polish here. And we're going to use Skin Deep for his face. And once again, we're going to go at a nice low angle because this is an image that if you're not careful, you'll dig into it. There we go. And we'll clean up around the edges again with the tape. Some people use their card. There's like scraper card, but I haven't figured out how to get the stuff off with doing that. So make sure I'm on camera. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see it in 2 seconds. I'm just gonna plop his little face down. You can see there. And there is his face. Grab another cotton swab and clean this off. And then we're going to use the Straight Up Black to do his eyes and his mouth. Just need a small dot. Get this over here ready to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And, just clean off the excess. So we've got his little eyes and his mouth. And are you on camera? Yes, you are. And there is our little Santa. So there is nail number 1 done. And now we're gonna work on Santa Claus's suit. So we're gonna start with the fur lining that goes down the front of Santa's suit. And for that, we're gonna use Bam White. Oh, let's get that. Hold on a second. Let's get that so it's not, there we are. Sorry. Let me get this all straightened away so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Got to get it way over here. And once again, we're going to stamp at a low angle to pick up this image. And give it a little rock. Perfect. Cleaning around the edges as always. And then for this one, we're just going to take it straight down the center. And that fits perfectly. So there is his fur lining. And next we will do his belt, and for that we're using Straight Up Black. And then after the belt we have the buckle. Loop. Okay, cleaning off. And then this one obviously will go horizontally across the middle for his belt. And we'll just push that down there. There we are. Boop. boop, boop, moving right along. We will clean off a little bit of black there. And on our scraper card. And now I'm using So Metal, which is this gorgeous silver. I always forget the lid is broken on this one. There we go. And we'll just do that right there. Ooh. Oh, that wasn't a great pickup, so we're gonna try that again. I got this at the wrong angle and I waited too long, so let's move this out of the way. But that's what happens sometimes. So easy peasy, we just reapply. Well, let's make sure you're in screen. Silly hilly. I'm just gonna do this upside down because it's fine. And there we go. A lot of polish. Scrape, stamp, and there we go. We got a great pickup that time. I moved a little bit faster. Sorry, my tape is out of control. Okay, and then we're gonna stamp our little belt down. So cute, how cute is that? All right, and then we are going to put Maniology's smudge-free top coat on top because we don't want the polish, the stamping polish, to smudge on us. All right, and then we're gonna use regular nail polish. I have Seche Vite. I like this. I also like Out the Door. So we'll just polish our, top coat our other nails with our quick dry top coat. And there you have it. We have an adorable set of Santa nails. So let me know what you think in the comments. I had a lot of fun making these. These turned out super cute. I'll post these on my Instagram. So you can see them on my Instagram at Happy Hillary's Nails over there. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments. I hope everyone is having an amazing December. I hope everybody has an amazing Christmas, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.